Working at Mellion Orthodontics is fantastic, especially because it's our practice. So over the years, we've been able to create it and really form an atmosphere that's wonderful for our patients and wonderful for our entire team to work on a daily basis. The generations that we have in the practice is unique. So we have my father, we have myself, and then my younger brother. So obviously my brother and I have grown up around the practice and around orthodontics our entire life. I've remember coming into the practice as a kid and running around the office at night when the patients weren't there, and then in high school started working in the practice a little bit, and then through college becoming more involved, and then obviously becoming a big part of it, and now an orthodontist in the practice. So it's a lot of fun being able to work with my dad, and equally, if not more fun, working with my brother, the kid I used to beat up with a beanbag, and now we're best friends and able to share our experiences together and have a positive impact on all sorts of people's lives. For me and for us as a practice, the most important thing that we strive to do is create an awesome experience for our patients, and that involves a lot of things. Obviously, people come to us because they want us to straighten their teeth and give them a great smile, but from our point of view, what we're really trying to do is provide a positive experience for them and something that lasts for their entire life. So that ranges from making them laugh and making them feel good when they're in the office for their appointments, giving them a big pat on the back and making sure they have a huge smile on their face when they get their braces off. But it's also all of the little things that go into that. Giving them self-confidence, throughout their visits and their time here, making them feel special as a person, and then also supporting the things that are important to them outside of the office as well. So at Mellion Orthodontics, we really try hard to support the communities that we practice in. We support all sorts of different athletic teams. We're a really big proponent of supporting the schools, the educational environment that the kids and the patients grow up in, and different types of extracurricular activities that they're a part of too. So orthodontic treatment obviously has a lot of influence on a patient, and one of the fun things as an orthodontist to provide is obviously giving somebody a great smile, but seeing how that smile transforms their personality. So we have a lot of kids that we see as early as 7 or 8 years old, and while we're not really providing a whole lot of treatment at that point, we're at least getting them in the office, getting them familiar with us, as a doctor, as their orthodontist, and then we can really watch them grow. So we watch their mouth change, but then as they get older and they're ready for braces, you can really see their personality blossom, and it's really fun to see their self-confidence come out and to see them grow as a person as we straighten their teeth, get their braces off, and then really just see them flourish as an individual. One of the things that we take great pride in our practice is staying up to date and current with all the modern technologies. We still have an overall probably conservative approach to how we treat patients, but we do want to use technology to our advantage, and we feel that we do a really good job of providing treatment that is unlike any other. We're able to do some different types of treatment that can avoid surgery, even avoid removing permanent teeth, and giving patients a phenomenal smile and a really good bite or occlusion which they want. But for us, it's the all-encompassing treatment that allows us to provide all of those things together in a treatment that's fun and very up to date. Part of the patient's experience at Mellion Orthodontics is everyone they interact with in our office. And one of the things we take pride in as a practice and as a team is how wonderful everybody is to deal with in our office. We try really hard to train all of our team members so that they obviously can help us provide good treatment with our patients, but probably more importantly is we want everybody that comes in our office to know and feel that we really care about them as an individual, and we want them to be a part of our family as well, of Mellion Orthodontics. So our team members are wonderful. They get lots of training. A lot of them have been with us for a really long time because we treat them like family, and we want them to be a part of the family. We want our patients to feel like they're part of the family, so everybody that comes in our office has a positive experience. They feel the energy, they have a good time while they're here. We want them to leave with a smile every time they come to our office.